how to steam your oscillating engine. First, you need to open it to oil it. I have not oiled everything in here, but the places you are supposed to oil are the inside of the cylinder, the crankshaft, the crank itself, and that's essentially it. There are 2 locations on the crankshaft that you are supposed to oil. They are either side of the flywheel. Before adding water, you need to open it. So, remove the fittings, which are the whistle and the safety valve. The burner tray is not necessary to remove at this point, but you do need to remove it later. Then just pour in your distilled water. After that, you can replace the whistle and safety valve. Now let's load our burner tray with the fuel. I use Esbit fuel, which has these little tablets. You use 1.5 of those inside the tray for this small oscillating engine. When you put it into the engine, you need to put a little bit of fire starter in it because it is not too flammable. Alright, now that it's steamed up, you can do a little whistle if you want. Well, Willisco recommends it to check pressure, but I don't. And then just touch the flywheel and we're off. Alright, after that, you're going to stop the engine, release a little bit of steam with the whistle, because that's not necessary, but you should probably do it. Then you just take out the fire and put it out. Remove all the water, and that's it. And just clean up afterwards.